guys, welcome back to my channel for another video. So today we are going to be showing you guys, or I am going to be showing you guys how I style my braids when I have braids in. I have done a video like this in the past before, but that was me styling crochet curly hair, kind of like a natural looking crochet hair. It wasn't braids. So I'm gonna link that in the cards up here. Hopefully that's the right spot where I'm pointing right now, but if it's not, I will figure it out when I edit this video. Yes. Okay, so if you guys are new to my channel, please go ahead and subscribe and stay for a very, very long time. And if you guys are returning, thank you so much. You are literally the best. Okay, so we are just gonna quickly get started because of course, like every single time, your girl is in a rush. So the first style, let us see here. I didn't actually think this video through. I just thought I wanted to do this video really badly before I take these hair out. Okay, so the first style I have in mind is my little top bun that I really, really like to do. So we're just gonna go ahead and show you guys how I do that. I should have probably brought a mirror. Can you guys see that? Okay, so, ooh, this is turning out really well. Okay, and I don't even have like, ooh, there's a bobby pin right here. Look at this. This video was meant to be. Okay, so this is the first hairstyle. Okay, so the next hairstyle, okay, so I'm just gonna pack this all up. I'm actually gonna get a mirror. Okay. Yes, okay. This is cute. Okay, so what I started doing a couple days ago was I grabbed a hair from the front and just kind of brought it down to hang. You can also do one on this side. This is cute too. Okay, next hairstyle. I'm gonna show you guys the low bun that I normally do. So you swoop all the hair over to this side.
I just like the sound of it.
This is my very much go-to hairstyle, this one right here, where you just basically have all your hair to the back, the low ponytail. This is a regular for me. Next one, I'm gonna use the hair to tie this. Next one. Can I think of another one? No. Okay guys, that is it for this video. Ooh, I'm shaking too many things. Okay guys, that is it for this video. I didn't want to make it too long. I just wanted to show you guys some quick hairstyles that I do when I have my braids in. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, this very, very short video. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!